ito guys, madaming nakatama nito actually. And kalat na din kasi itong problem na to. But I want to discuss it, no? Kasi isa to sa lumabas noong March 2026. And si Ma'am Proxy guys, mahilig talaga siya sa combined stresses na yung beam is weird, no? So, may curve beam, kagaya nito, merong paganyan. Pero, sa amin guys, ito lumabas, no? Bago to guys, bago. So, okay. Una guys, let's calculate the maximum flexural stress. Okay. Before ko ipakita yung solution, ano ba yung nagkukos ng bending dito guys? Ano ba yung nagkukos ng bending? Kasi madaming nalilito dito guys. Madaming nalilito actually. So, let's say guys, no, na ito yung elbow ko guys. Ito. Ito yung beam guys. It's fixed here. Sa shoulder ko. It's fixed here. Para mag-bend yan guys, no, yung bending yan guys, no, is paganyan or paganyan. Upward or downward movement lang yan guys, ha. Upward or downward. Yan yung moment. Rotation kasi yan guys, rotation. So, syempre guys, wala namang upward force dyan. So, syempre, yung bending natin, that's downward. No? That's downward. So, syempre, yung mga nagkukos ng downward, yan yung makakos ng bending. So, ano ba yung nagkukos ng downward dyan? Eh, di ba? Yung 40 newtons, tsaka 50 newtons lang. Ito, tsaka ito. Yan lang yung mga forces natin for bending. No? So, knowing that, guys, no, let's calculate the moment. 40, yung perpendicular distance niya or yung moment arm niya from our fixed support is 1.5 meters. Ito. No? Plus 50 times yung perpendicular distance niya is ito. No? So, 3 meters to guys, galing from Y, pupunta dito. No? Punta dyan. That's 3 meters. Ito guys, that's 4 cos 30, di ba? So, kaya 3 plus 4 cos 30. And if we calculate that, yung makukuha natin is 383.205 Newton meters. No? So, let's store that to M. And then, calculate na natin yung flexural stress, guys, no? So, yung M natin, guys, i-multiply natin ng 10 raised to 3. Bakit? Kasi, naka meters to. Gusto natin mm, guys. Yung C natin, guys, no? That's half nito. Half nito. Kasi, guys, yung neutral axis niyan is sa gitna lang niya. So, syempre, yung height niyan, which is yung outer diameter na 38, yung half niyan is 19. So, 38 over 2. Then, yung I, guys, pi over 64 times 38 raised to 4 minus 28 raised to 4. Ano ba yung 28, guys? Di ba, guys? 38 to. 38 tong DO. So, syempre, meron tayong inner diameter na 28. Kasi 5 to, guys, dito. 5, 5. So, 38 minus dalawang 5, that's 28. No? So, yan lang yan, guys. Pi over 64 times this raised, pi over 64 times d raised to 4, di ba? Yung inertia natin, 4 circular. Pag hollow na, meron ng i-minus, no? So, yung makukuha nating FB is 127 MPa. So, next guys, let's calculate the axial stress. Clear naman dito guys, no? Yung axial stress guys, dapat yan yung forces na perpendicular with the plane ng support natin. 3D kasi to guys. So, as you can see guys, yung plane niya is YZ plane. YZ plane yung support natin. So, yung perpendicular niyan guys is parallel sa X. Isa lang yung parallel sa X nito guys. Itong 70 newtons. Kaya yan lang din yung gagamitin natin. So, rekta na guys. Axial stress, force over area lang yan. 70 times pi over 4 times 38 squared minus 28 squared. Minus ulit kasi hollow to. So, yung makuha natin sagot is 0.135 MPa. Okay. Then, number 60 guys, calculate the maximum torsional stress. Maraming nalilito dito guys. Meron daw iba na kino-consider yung 50 Newton or yung ibang bending forces. Pero guys, yung twisting guys, no? Titingnan natin dito. Pag ganyan yan guys. So, hindi pwede yung 50 and 40 kasi bending yan. Yung twisting natin is paganto. So, yung nagtitwist lang yan guys is ito lang, 100 Newton meters. Ito lang guys. So, syempre yan lang yung gagamitin natin. No? Yung shear stress formula natin for maximum torsional stress is tender juicy. So, 100 Newton meter kasi yan guys. Gusto natin 100 Newton mm, no? So, yung R guys, that's the radius, no? So, half lang yan ng DO. Then, yung J natin guys, no, pi over 32. Bakit guys? Di ba J equals IX plus IY, no? For circular kasi guys, no, yung IX and IY natin, that's the same. That's pi over 64 times d raised to 4 plus pi over 64 times d raised to 4. Or that's equal to 2 times pi over 64 equals pi over 32. Yan yung dahilan dyan, guys. Kaya, pi over 32 times 38 raised to 4 minus 28 raised to 4, yung sagot niyan is 13.6 MPa. Yan yung maximum torsional stress natin.